Horwitz. Bubba Trading. BubbaTrading.com is the website, by the way. A lot of great information there. And Todd, people that tune in on a regular basis know you've not been friendly to the cattle and the beef trade overall. And we have record amounts in storage. We have record high weights. And yet here we are, limit up in cattle, limit up in feeder cattle. So what's going on today?
I think you got, Mark, a little bit of a short squeeze here now. You know, I'm still very bearish the whole space, but we've got cash coming off on Friday. I think you're getting a little bit of a short squeeze here as the front is getting some demand. We've seen some higher pricer, and what happens, a lot of the people that are inexperienced are chasing the back months, not realizing that it really has nothing to do with the cash front, which is where we're trading right now. So I think you're seeing a little bit of short covering. You want to watch in the live cattle 145 key level. I don't think we'll go through it. I'd sell more at 145. If we go to 150, then I'm going to have to say that I'm wrong, and I'm going to change my mind and get out and take my losses. But I think I'll be an added seller at 145. I don't see us going anywhere near past 145 in live, and in feeder cattle, I'd say 195. We're a couple of bucks away from there. Again, same story. We've got an overabundance of short covering right now. You got a lot of people chasing the market instead of having the patience to wait. They're crawling over each other to get out, and I think part of it might be in front of the Fed, part of it might be in front of anything, but at the end of the day, this looks more like a short covering, powerful move, which is always the case when shorts are being forced to cover.
All right, so a couple of more dollars higher in cattle and feeder cattle, and you want to be a seller. How about the hog trade? Do your thoughts change at all when you look at the pork complex?
You know, hogs are key level there is like 60-50. If we can't hold there, it looks like we can go back into the 58 level. But I think what you're going to see is in the next day or so, as I said yesterday, we're going to see a big short covering rally there as well. I think that's only a matter of time before we get there, because what happens is when people continue, or traders continue to pound on a certain number or a certain commodity, eventually that will turn and there'll be something bullish. For some reason, they'll have to change their mind and all the shorts will come running in. I would expect to see within the next couple of days a couple of limit up moves in the hog market, looking for it to get back to probably 65.
Very good. Todd, we'll be looking forward to visiting with you tonight again to see how things close in our Rural Evening News. Have a great afternoon.
Mark. You too.
Todd Horwitz live from the floor at the CME Group in Chicago. One last